Top 9 Feng Shui Kitchen Tips. What are the best kitchen colors for Feng Shui? Check out this photo gallery to get some ideas. Whether you prefer white, gray, or a shade of blue, you can find out the best Feng Shui use of color in a kitchen. Your kitchen is the Feng Shui part of the home that nourishes and sustains life. Feng Shui-wise, it is the most important part of your home. The kitchen is also a Feng Shui symbol of wealth and prosperity. So naturally, you want to create good Feng Shui in your kitchen. The kitchen is a part of the very important Feng Shui triangle that is directly connected to the state of your health and well-being. If your kitchen is very small, you need specific tips to help you find enough space to store your kitchen supplies and have enough workspace. You might be wondering about the best Feng Shui shapes and colors of plates for your kitchen. There are really no shoulds in effective Feng Shui applications. It is always best to go with what you love and are drawn to, especially in such important Feng Shui areas as your kitchen and bedroom. Good Feng Shui energy is all around you. It comes in all forms, shapes, and sizes. You can test the quality of any given energy by the way it feels. You know the Feng Shui energy is good when you test it with a basic question: does it feel good? Herb gardens add a sense of beauty and calm to a kitchen. The first and most important aspect in kitchen Feng Shui regarding the stove is its location in the Bagua map of your home. Because the stove represents the fire Feng Shui element, it is best to have it in a kitchen location that is compatible with or is not damaged by its fire energy. Usually, south and southwest are considered ideal Feng Shui kitchen spots for the oven. Feng Shui for a soulful kitchen is a fascinating topic with almost never-ending options and possibilities in creating good energy in this special area of your home. Of course, in applying Feng Shui to your kitchen, you always start with the basics, keep it clean and clear of clutter and follow the logical flow, and then move on to a bit more advanced Feng Shui levels. Having the kitchen and bathroom doors facing each other is very bad Feng Shui, indeed. You don't need to know much about Feng Shui to intuitively understand that this is not a good setup for a healthy home. When two doors are opposite each other, the Feng Shui energies flow faster in and out of the spaces guarded by the doors. This is why another direct door alignment, the front door aligned with the back door, is also considered bad Feng Shui. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.